How to fix Pinterest sound problem. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure how to fix Pinterest sound problem. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, if you are having any problems with the sound on your Pinterest app, then here are some solutions that can help you solve that problem. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to try to update your Pinterest app. So navigate to Play Store and check whether there are any updates available. If you find ones, good, update the app. If not, then let's move on to the second step. Now, the second step that you can do is you need to navigate to the app info right here, and once you're there, um, navigate to the section where you will be able to clear cache and data of your Pinterest app. And if that did not solve your problem, then the last thing that you can do is to just uninstall the Pinterest app altogether and reinstall it again, and that should be more than enough to solve any problems you are having with your app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix sound problems on your Pinterest app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.